Welcome to the video of how to turn on SimMan 3G. Today we will be learning how to turn them on. First you'll need your power supply, your power adapter. You'll need to plug it into the wall. Then the next thing you need to do is plug the other end of the power adapter into SimMan's right hip. Next, you want to hit your power button to turn SimMan on. This will start SimMan running. It'll take about 2 minutes for SimMan to start breathing on his own and for his eyes to start blinking. Once that happens, he's ready to be connected to the laptop. As you can see, he's breathing and his eyes are blinking. I've fast forwarded this video. It normally takes about 2 minutes for this to happen. Next, you want to go to your laptop that came with your SimMan 3G. And what you want to do is go down to the bottom where you have your wireless connections. And you want to make sure the laptop is selected to SimMan 3G. As you can see, this one is not. So I will go and I will set it to SimMan 3G. Then I'll click connect. This is why you have to let SimMan run for 2 minutes before you start all of this, because his Wi-Fi connection and everything needs to start so that the other components can connect to it. Okay, and as you can see now, when you go there to the bottom, it says connected to SimMan 3G. Next, you want to select your instructor application that is on your desktop or on your computer. And this menu will come up and you want to select SimMan 3G. If you select Virtual Mannequin, the software will run, but it will not be connected to a mannequin. It'll just be the software. And you want to select manual mode if you haven't previously started up a case. Click OK. And just give it a second to start the software. When the software does start, you may get hit with some of these windows. Just hit dismiss all for right now, and you want to hit the space button to begin the scenario. Give it a second and it'll start running. As you can see, you'll notice when the monitor in the top right corner starts going, that'll indicate that it's ready. As you can see, you might get hit with some more windows or notifications. Just click OK to get them out of the way and dismiss all. Those are just looking for an AVS system that is currently not hooked up to. Next, you want to go over to your monitor. You want to turn it on. This is SimMan 3G's patient monitor. So this is what will be showing the students the vital signs. And just let that boot up. Okay. Once that has started, sometimes the patient monitor software will just automatically start, but if it doesn't, you want to go to your patient monitor icon, which should be on the desktop. And you want to click on that to just start that up. Okay, you'll get the same menu that you got with on the laptop with the instructor application. You want to wait for SimMan 3D to show up, 3G, I'm sorry, and you want to select that, and then you want to hit OK as well. Okay, and when it starts up, it's going to show the monitor, but it's not going to have any vital signs because we haven't yet selected what vital signs we want it to actually show. As you can see, it's just a blank monitor. Okay, so now we want to come back to the laptop, SimMan 3G's laptop, and we want to go to View, and then Show Instructors Monitor Buttons. See, now down here, by clicking each of these buttons, we can select what we want to show on the monitor. So now that we selected it, if we look at the SimMan's monitor, all of his vital signs are now showing because we have selected that we wanted to show. Okay, now SimMan 3G is running properly and we're ready to begin our simulation.